Hey guys, what's up? So lately Samsung has been facing a lot of heat due to its Exynos 990 chip used in the latest Galaxy S20 series, and it seems like they are working on an improved Exynos chipset for the Galaxy Note 20. Also, we have information on the Galaxy Fold 2 in the later part of the video, so stay tuned for that. The chip in question is the Exynos 992, which is an improved version of the Exynos 990. This new chip is supposed to have a more power efficient design compared to its predecessor, mostly due to its better manufacturing process. The Exynos 992 is to be manufactured on Samsung's 6nm process, which should give it better power efficiency. The chip will also have a slightly improved performance than its biggest rival, the Snapdragon 865, and that may just be what people want from Samsung right now. This comes at a time when we are hearing that Qualcomm won't launch the Snapdragon 865 Plus this year, so it works in Samsung's favor. Moving on, so last week we heard about the Galaxy Fold 2 from Ross Young, the CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, and he mentioned that the Fold 2 will have a 120Hz refresh rate in a display. The display will be a 7.59 inch, while the outer one will have a 6.2 inch screen size. He also said that the phone will have a punch-hole front camera like the rest of the Galaxy flagship smartphones, and that the under-display tech is not ready yet for use in smartphones such as the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Fold 2. He also mentioned that the Fold 2 will have the S Pen support, which would give it an edge over other similar devices. A week later, and he's back with some more information about the Fold 2. According to him, the main camera system will have a triple camera setup with a 12-megapixel main sensor, a 16-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera, along with OIS on both the main and the telephoto camera. Up until now, it was expected that the Fold 2 will have the same camera setup like that on the Galaxy S20 Plus, which has a 12-megapixel wide, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera along with the depth camera. With this information, it seems like Samsung will use a different ultra-wide sensor for the Fold 2. Also, the screen on Fold 2 will have a hard-coat glass over the display of the phone, since the ultra-thin glass being used is prone to scratches as seen with the Galaxy Z Flip, which would have easily scratched with the use of the S Pen. Now, we don't know if Samsung will use the same S Pen that comes with the Note series or have they made a special one for the Fold 2, but I guess we will know soon enough. Lastly, the prices. It is expected that the phone will have a lower price tag compared to the original Fold, and Ross estimates the price to be between $1780 to $1980. He expects that the phone will be around $100 less than last year at $1880 or $1895, and that is great considering the improvements we are getting in the Fold 2 with a bigger and higher refresh rate in a display, a bigger and better outer display, a more modern punch hole solution on both the inner and outer displays, a better camera setup, the S Pen support along with 865 and 5G, which is very expensive, and the reasons why phones have gotten so expensive this year. Finally, the launch date. As expected, the launch will happen alongside the Galaxy Note 20 in the second half of August, and we may be able to buy the phones from September. The global pandemic has not caused Samsung to postpone its launch. That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about the next foldable phone from Samsung. Are you excited? Also consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.